How to use Bybit copy trading, easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with Bybit copy trading. So let's get into it. Now to get started, all you have to do is click on sign up or log in. If you don't have an account, simply click on sign up and you can sign up very easily using your email address. If you already have an account, just log in, and I will just log into my Bybit account over here. It only takes a couple of seconds to get started as well. And once you have logged on to your account, you're simply going to be redirected to your home page. And from your home page, you're going to click on derivatives, and in derivatives, you will find copy trading. So copy trading is an amazing way for beginners and newbies to earn money with crypto, and it's very easy. Now you can see that you have two different types of markets, and I have explained this previously. Spot markets are those markets where you are going to be able to trade in the current prices, and futures markets are markets where you introduce leverage, where you introduce risk. Leverage is risk, and you introduce risk into the futures market. You're betting whether the price is going up or whether the price is going down. That is like the primary objective in the futures market, and you will be able to see multiple different traders that are available that you can copy from. Now you have the top master traders, so these are some of the top traders out there. Then you also have the list called all master traders, and you can filter out the traders that you want. So you can look for a certain trading strategy that you might have in mind. You might want to look for traders with the highest profit for followers, or with the lowest drawdown, or with the top intraday trade. So let's say you want to look at whoever has the top intraday trades, and you might want to copy that person instead. You also have country options, so you can choose someone that is from your country. Maybe you feel more comfortable in that way, you can choose that as well. But I'm simply going to go into the top master trader sections, and you can see some of the top master traders. A lot of these are full. Their trading strategies have been full, the ones that they have put out. And you also have the traders with the highest profits for their followers. So you can see what is going to be the ROI, return on investment, the drawdown, and the AUM. So you can see all that information over here. Plus, you also see their current trades, how well their trades are going. You can see if the trade is going down, that means that they have previously lost some money in their trades. However, they still are master traders, and these master traders have years upon years of just experience in studying crypto where they base their trades off of. Now, if you want to copy any trader, let's say that I want to copy this trader. Now, before I just go on ahead and copy them, first off, I take a look at the trader, and the first thing you want to do is to see their strategy. So how many trading days is it? It's 38 days. Maybe for some people, they might not be able to hold their cryptocurrency for 38 days. So take a look at the trading strategies those that you can actually follow. So if they're super long term, you might not want to go with that. If they are super short term, then they might just not be as profitable. So find a balance where you're going to be able to hold your money for that number of days, or for those number of days, easily. Then you'll be able to see the performance of their strategy. So you'll be able to see the profit for each individual follower, the trading history, and the overall cycle. Currently, you can see this trader has been losing money. They have had 2 bad days, and that is not something to lose a trader on. Don't think that's just because someone lost some money in a couple of days, it means that they're a bad trader. But whenever you're doing copy trading, you want to try to find the best that you can. So let's see, I go on ahead and I open up some other traders. So you can see I have this other trader over here, and they have a 7-day ROI of over 9%. They have a max drawdown of 17%. Their 7-day win rate is 82%. They have winning trades, you need to keep in mind their winning trade to losing trade ratio. So they have over 1,000 winning trades and over 117 losing trades. So make sure to compare that. Take a look at the trading history, the overall pair tokens of trades, and the overall earnings, daily RUIs, and daily profits as well. You can also take a look at their followers, how much profit that they have received as well. Now, going on ahead, let's say I like this person's trading strategy. Now, what I will do is I can simply click on copy over here. and then you will enter your fixed margin. So this will be your fixed margin that you will be taking from your copy trading account. Now you need to make sure that you go into your Bybit wallet before you go into the trading section and transfer money into your Bybit copy trading account. Let's say it's one. Then you will have your stop loss CSL. A lot of you wonder what this is. This is when your copy trading position exceeds a certain number of USDT, you will automatically stop copying the trader, and that is it. So once you stop copying the trader, your remaining positions will immediately exit at the current market price, or you can continue copying the trader until the positions are closed. So you have these two options. So that is something that you can do as well. So a lot of people wonder, what does continue copying the trader until positions end? Didn't I just say that it's to stop the trading position as soon as you've lost a certain number of dollars? Well, with a copy trader, they're not just going to put in one trading position for you. They're going to put in multiple different trading positions, especially in the futures market. People often like to use futures grids. So they will be creating grids. Oftentimes they will be creating trading grids, and within those trading grids, you will have multiple different positions. So I would recommend that you continue copying the trader until the other positions are closed, and you can enter how much loss you can bear. So you just enter the potential loss that you can bear. And after that, you will have the leverage settings. Now, leverage is how much money you're borrowing or how much risk you're involving. Let's say that I bet in 10 USDT, but if I go on ahead and enter my own leverage to 2 times, that would mean that I'm betting 20 USD because it would be multiplied by 2. If I do it with 10% leverage, then what I would be doing is that 10 into 10, that would mean I'm trading 100 USDT, not just my own 10. So you can choose to enter a fixed leverage, a custom leverage as well for all of the different tokens, because you can see all the different tokens that this trader is trading with. So you can add a custom leverage for each of these or a fixed leverage. Let's say I want to do a fixed leverage of less than 2%. So that is something you can do, and click on confirm over here. Once you've done that, you can add your stop loss ratio per order. So let's say we have a 30% stop loss ratio. Then you have some advanced settings where you can max position margin per contract and max your daily position limit as well. And these are just some more details that I don't recommend for beginners, because it just complicates things and it's just too specified and it loses the meaning of copy trading. Once you have filled out all of this basic info, you will simply click on I have read and agreed to the Bybit copy trading agreement and click on copy now to begin your copy trades. It's that simple and that easy. Plus, you will be able to earn money without having to constantly monitor the charts or constantly be trading. So these traders allow you to earn money with crypto, with your crypto assets, in a simple and effective manner. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.